this is just my simple example. So you guys can figure out how those cards go together. But essentially, it's all about like just putting them in categories. So apple, shoe, they don't kind of go together. Um, Soury is kind of separate. Um, and these are pretty. This is a really easy example. It's just go get the. So all I'm doing is just putting them into categories of how all this stuff relates together. Cow kind of doesn't fit. So this is pretty simple, but essentially you have fruit and vegetables, and then you have some other stuff that just doesn't make sense. And what you'll find in there is I have some follow-up questions, but there's stuff in there that won't make sense to you, which is fine. And then after you've done all that, what I'll do is I'll give you some blank cards, and then what we can do is I have a marker, so we can kind of put them above, and then you guys get to name the categories. So I'm not naming the categories, so this is kind of like, this is simple, you have fruit and vegetables, but over there you may have whatever you guys come up with as a group of, we should call this category books, or we should call this category fruit. I don't know. So it's the whole idea of just putting all this stuff into categories that make sense. You guys have any questions? Okay.